I'm Kausar Jasmine from Mechanical Third Year. Today my topic is about practical limitations of quantum channels, noise decoherence and photon loss. Introduction to quantum channels. Quantum channels are the medium through which quantum information is transmitted. They are essentially for applications like quantum communication and quantum computing. However, practical implementations face significant physical limitations that affect their performance. Overview of practical limitations. The main limitations include noise decoherence and photon loss. The factors degrade the fidelity and efficiency of quantum information transfer. Understanding these issues is crucial for developing robust quantum communication system. Noise in quantum channels. Noise refers to unwanted disturbances that alter the quantum state during transmissions. It can originate from environmental interactions, device imperfections, or external interface. Noise introduction errors that compromises the integrity of quantum information. Types of quantum noise models. Common models include depolarizing, dephasing, and amplitude damping channels. Each model describes different types process affecting quantum states. Accurate modeling helps in designing error correction strategies for quantum communication. Decoherence and its impact. Decoherence is the process by which quantum system lose their coherence due to environmental interaction. It effectively transforms pure quantum states into classical mixtures. Decoherence limitations the lifespan of quantum information and hampers reliable transmission. Photons loss in optical quantum channels. Photon loss is a significant issue in optical quantum communication, especially over long distance. Losses occur due to absorption, scattering, and imperfection detection. Photon loss reduces the success probability of quantum protocols like teleportation and key distribution. Physical mechanics behind noise decoherence and loss. Interaction with the environmental, such as the thermal fluctuations, cause decoherence and noise, which the superconductivity property has below the critical temperature. Materials imperfections or scattering lead to photon loss in optical fibers and free space links. These mechanics are often interconnected in exacerbating the challenges faced in practical quantum channels. Mitigation strategies for practical limitations. Quantum error correction and entanglement purification or techniques to combat noise and decoherence. Quantum repeaters help extend communication distance by mitigating photon loss. Advances in material device engineering and protocol design continue to improve robustness. Current challenges and research directions. Developing low noise, high coherence quantum system remains a key challenge. Enhancing photon detection efficiency and reducing transmission losses on ongoing efforts. Research aims to create practical, scalable quantum networks resilient to these physical limitations. Conclusion and outcome overview. Noise decoherence and photons loss is critical innovations in technology and theory are essential to address these practical limitations. Achieving reliable quantum challenges will enable transformative applications in secure communication and computing. Thank you and have a nice day.